Good morning. It's Thanksgiving after Thanksgiving morning.
Huzzah!
Are you the turkey? Are you the turkey? Oh. Happy Thanksgiving after Thanksgiving morning.
Happy Thanksgiving after Thanksgiving morning.
What you doing, Mommy?
Checking the turkey.
Oh boy, there it is, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh boy. The family Thanksgiving.
After Thanksgiving.
The best.
What do you think, Finn?
This is what makes one of those squishy things so good.
Yeah, looks good. All right, it's out. What are you guys doing? What are you doing, Daddy?
Trying to keep the screaming pumpkin from screaming. Ah!
Are you ready for some turkey? Huh? Are you ready for some turkey? Almost ready over here. All right, here it is. Vermont Thanksgiving 2019. 2019.
Look at the ear there for a second.
How is it, Finn? Is it good?
Oh, scratchy, 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 scratchy. You do it. You do it. Scratchy, 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 scratchy. That should be fun, huh?
Well, today is the day. We are off to go get our Christmas tree. Got some snow. We got a lot more snow at home. We have about 12 inches in climbing at home. We only got like an inch here, maybe two. So we're going to White's Tree Farm to go cut down our own tree. We'll see how Mom and Emily do this year. Mom said she wants a small tree, and she ended up with a 7-foot tree last year, so we'll see what small is this year. But it's about a 45-minute drive. Finn's taking a nap. He was strapped into the car seat and was sleeping already. So we're off. You sledding? Are you sledding? Don't look happy. Good job, you're doing it. How big we getting it, Steve? Ooh, I like the curly Q top.
You like that one?
Oh, I like this one. Skinny in the middle. This is the tree for if you have cats. You hang everything up top and they can't get it on the bottom. Or a baby. This one will be good. There's very many little trees.
Very many little trees.
Yeah. Finn, what do you think? What do you think? Ha ha! Is this the tree, Steve?
My tree. I picked it out.
Not that tree?
That'll be Dad's tree next year.
All right. How big is that tree?
Probably 12 feet.
Finn, what do you think of Dad's tree selection? All right. Watch. Gotta yell timber when it's gonna go down, Finn. There he goes.
Timber!
Yay! Yay!
I think I picked up a couple hitchhikers.
Hi! Still not smiling. I'm trying to find Mom.
We don't know where they went. I think they're probably way on the other side looking at some birch tree or something like that. And of course we forgot what they were wearing. Not like you'd actually see them anyways, because we were going to call them if we could get service on our phones. But then I know exactly what they'd say. We'd say, we're next to a tree. Yeah, ha 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 ha, funny. Finn is indifferent to this.
Well, we made it.
To Ben and Jerry's.
Woo! Woo! Oh, yeah. He's like, wait, everyone has some. Bye! Bye! Time to go home. We're going home to over 2 feet of snow.
Sunshine here.
Yay. Finn, bye! Bye-bye. Hey, bye! Yeah.
So,
Yay! Look at all the snow. We have no idea what our driveway looks like.
I think it looks more like this.
I think it looks like just a whole bunch of that. It's good to be home. New England. We're thinking we're gonna have to park across the street at the Legion and walk over and then snow blow our driveway. So,
So, the snowbank is 3.5 feet tall. This is ridiculous. Me him. Come on, Mama.
you go. I'll figure it out.
Step in my footprint.
Oh, Piper! Did you even... So, when you gotta do farm chores, there's about 3 feet of snow everywhere. You use a wagon as a sled, because Daddy's using the snowblower so we can get the truck in the driveway. Yeah, this is what we got going on. Everybody looks all right though. The ducks are looking the ducks are looking for some water. Harvey and Harley are looking for some water. The chickens say we're staying inside. We gotta give those to the bunnies. Hi! Yeah, not yet. We'll give those ones to Harley. Here you go. Good boy, you made it through your first storm, huh? Yeah, we gotta give Harley some. Yeah. Here you go. You can have that one. You're being a big time helper.